Sir, kapag kinuha ko
Hi
ng boy,
everyone! Today we
yung
will
mga
explore
cellphone,
the
wala
incredible
akong gagalawin
Puerto
yan. Titingin na
Princesa
lang po kami,
Underground
iiyak na lang.
River.
Sayang.
We're riding in
May
a van
matatapat.
and
Dati
cruising
po,
down
sir,
the
kasama
highway.
yan sa nasa Lantan Step. Yung mga from the mountain, ma'am, bumaba dito sa area, sa basketball area. Ano daw?
Oy, Babuyan Bridge! Babuyan Bridge! Oh. Yun na, yun. Yun na. Oh my God.
Meron po rito ang Philippine Navy base sa lugar po na yun. Bin Lake. Sarap. Malapit po yan.
And on this part, you will feel like you've been transported straight into the world of Avatar.
Alam, may nagpuan sa tapos mga madam, sa kanan po ninyo, sir, meron pang isang line yung doon na sa balance na ba to? At yan po, nag-display yung Amazing Grace Philippines and Ukraine. Wala kumuha ng permit sa inyo. Sure. Yes po, kaya ba doon may supply pa yan? Yan, may supply ba ng kuryente dito? Walang. Yan. Okay po, yung pin na yan, that is underground kanan, yung pin na yan, that is underground.
Next, we arrive at the pier where we will transfer to the boat. After that, it's time to stretch those legs with a little walk through the forest. The path is super chill and you're surrounded by nature and monkey. Finally, we reached the main event, the underground river. We will hope on another boat, but this one is taking straight into the heart of the cave. And as soon as you enter, you will pop in your audio guide, which is packed with cool facts, stories, and even some fun trivia about what makes this place so special. As soon as we entered to the cave, we felt like a grand welcome from the local residents, which is the bats. These little guys love to put on a show and they're like dancing in the air just to greet you as you step into their home. You will meet hundreds of bats swirling over your head. And you need to keep your mouth shut if you don't want a drop of a pee from the bat. Inside, it's like stepping into another world. a massive stalactites and stalagmites everywhere, where the sounds of water dripping echoing through the caves. And it's honestly one of the wow moments that you've just got to see to believe. The ride lasts 45 minutes for a round trip. As we continue deeper into the cave, the smell of the sulfur becomes less stronger. Once you reach the middle of the cave, the tour guide will give us a real taste of what it likes to be a deep underground. They turn off all the lights and for a moment will be a complete darkness. An exciting experience that really makes you appreciate how isolated you are in the massive cave. So, if you're planning a trip to Palawan, make sure to include this tour in your itinerary. It's an experience that's truly worth of a spot on your travel bucket list. If you're thinking about this trip, I highly recommend booking a tour package. Not only that it's to make everything super easy, but you also get a chance to connect with the locals, which is really takes you to experience to the next level. Throughout the tour, you'll notice the spotlight guiding our way. This spotlight isn't just there to light up the cave. It's perfectly timed to show you exactly what being explained in the audio guide. Please make sure you don't miss a thing. It's like having a spotlight revealing the secret hidden of the darkness. As you're enjoying the tour, you will meet some of the group of tourists. Don't forget to say hi and hello and to greet them. The underground river is a two-way path, so you'll often see people who have either just finished their adventure or they're just started for the tour. Just make sure that you will not visit every July 1 and 3 because this is the annual closure for cleaning and maintenance to ensure the site is remain good condition for visitors. Hoping you won't miss the part 2, so stay tuned and see you again!